Hello guys, now we are going to do 19 to 25th December part second video. It is your sky tagline. It's your sky tagline. Akasa Airline. Akasa Airline crafted by 265 India Lab. Akasa Air operated by SNV Aviation Private Limited by Rakesh Junjunwala. Akasa Airline operated by SNV Private Limited. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission launched by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission launched by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare 2020. Best Female Debut Award. Best Female Debut Award in 2021. Paralympic Sports Award. Best Female Debut Award 2021 Paralympic Sports Awards Avni Lekhra. Best Female Debut Award. Ministry of Defence Rajnath Singh launched multi-terrain artillery gun 155 BR development by Bharat Forge Limited. Ministry of Defence Rajnath Singh launched multi-territory artillery gun 155 BR. Indian Olympic Association appointed Harjinder Singh as India's safety mission for Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics. Indian Olympics Association appointed Harjit Singh for Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics. Vayana Network and Federal Bank was awarded as the most effective bank fintech part of the IBSI Global Fintech Innovation Award. Vayana Network and Federal Bank awarded as the most effective bank fintech portal. Paytm Payment Bank partnered with MoneyGram. Paytm Payment Bank partnered with MoneyGram to enable fund transfer. Rural Electrification Corporation signed an agreement with KfW Development to provide USD 169.5 million loan for power sector and renewable project. Rural Electrification Corporation signed an agreement with KfW Development Bank to provide USD 169.5 million. Deen Dayal Antyodaya NRLM scheme. PM Narendra Modi's transfer 1000 crore into the bank account of Women Self-Help Group UP. Dopamine Technologies Company launched India's first Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Health Locker to digitally manage all health records. Dopocrime Technologies. Edelweiss General Insurance Company has partnered with PhonePe. Edelweiss General Insurance partnered with PhonePe for digital motor insurance product. Sarbananda Sonowal, Union Minister of Ayush. Indian Air Force deployed first squadron at the S-400 in Punjab. Indian Air Force deployed first squadron of the S-400 missile in Punjab. Indian Army got first indigenously built armor engine reconstruction vehicle manufacturing by Ordnance Factory Medak and Bharat Electronics. Indian Army got first indigenously built armor engine reconnaissance vehicle manufactured by Ordnance Factory Medak and Bharat Electronics. India signed agreement with KfW Development Bank for for 140 million euro. India signed agreement with KfW Development Bank for 140 million euro and 2 billion euro grant for energy reform program at MP. Energy reform program at Madhya Pradesh. KfW headquarter Frankfurt, Germany. CEO Stephen Wintels. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare launched National Oxygen Stewardship Program. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare launched National Oxygen Stewardship Program. UAE committed to $100 billion for investment and infrastructure creation in India. $400 billion export target. Bangladesh under-19 women's team defeated India by 1-0 to lift SAF under-19 women's championship. Bangladesh won by defeating India. Men's Asian Championship Trophy Hockey Tournament. India won bronze medal while South Korea won gold and Japan won silver. India won bronze, South Korea won gold, and Japan won silver medal. World's number one Ali Farag is replaced by Saurav Ghoshal as a Professional Squash Association men's president. Saurav Ghoshal. Indian Army Organization launched indigenous mess application called ASI-GMA, Army Secure Indigen Messaging Application, Army Secure Indigen Messaging Application, Indian Army Messaging Application. Indian sprinter Harbhajan Singh announced retirement. He has fourth highest wicket taker in Test cricket. He snapped 32 wickets in 3 tests, 32 wickets in 3 states, including a hat-trick against Australia in March. Multiple development initiative in Varanasi. PM Modi launched Gaurani, the rural residential rights records under the Swamitva scheme of Ministry of Panchayat Raj. Ministry of Development Initiative in Varanasi. Multiple development initiative in Varanasi. Pradhan Mantri distributed Gaurami. Ministry of Panchayati Raj. CBS Bank Agency Bank allotted by RDI to under General Banking. CBS Bank Agency Bank by RBI to under General Banking. Justice Sanjay Kumar Mishra appointed as the Acting Chief Justice of Uttarakhand. State government launched the ambitious Free Smartphone Yojana UP. State government launched ambitious Free Smartphone Yojana Uttar Pradesh. 2019 Anti-Doping Rule Violation Report. Russia topped with 167 AD/RVS while India secured third. Russia top and India third anti-doping rule violation with 152. Total countries 152. HSBC Asset Management Company signed an agreement with L&T Finance Housing Limited to acquire 100% equity share of L&T Investment Management Limited for 31,391 crore. HSBC Asset Management Company signed an agreement with L&T. HDFC Life Insurance Company won Best Governed Company listed segment under large category. HDFC Life Insurance Best Governed Company listed under large category at the 21st edition of ICSI National Award for Excellence in Corporate Governance 2021. HDFC Life Headquarter Mumbai 2000. HDFC Life founded in 2000. Headquarter Mumbai. CEO Vibha Padalkar. Reliance Industries Top 2021 Wizkey News Score Ranking. Reliance Industries Top 2021 Wizkey News Score Ranking as Most Visible Corporate in Media. SBI second rank. Reliance top and SBI second rank in most visible cooperative in media. Indian Army received a new range of landmines called Nipun, Vaibhav, Vishal, Prachand and Uluk to boost China-Pakistan border. The landmines are developed by DRDO. Indian Army received a new range of landmines. Landmines are developed by DRDO. SIDBI signed Enhanced Multilateral Memorandum of Understanding of the IOSCO International Organization of Security Commission. SIDBI signed an enhanced MOU with International Organization of Security Commission. World Economic Forum has deferred its annual meeting in Davos amid Omicron scare. Because of Omicron scare, World Economic Forum meeting has deferred. Chairman Klaus Schwab. FSS Financial Software and System joined hands with CBS Bank to open 1,000 Smart Cash franchises in semi-urban and rural areas. FSS Financial Software and System. FSS Financial Software and System joined hand with CBS Bank for 1000 Smart Cash franchises. Pritzker Prize awardee Richard Rogerser passed away. He belongs to UK. OP Jindal Global University recently won Digital Innovation of the Year award at the Times of Higher Education Asia Award, creating the Fire Could Best Solution. KIIT Kaling Institute of Industrial Technology backs Asia's Leader Award back. OP Jindal Global University recently won Digital Innovation of the Year. Digital Innovation of the Year goes to OP Jindal, and Kaling Institute of Industrial Technology backs Asia's Leader Award. Bank of Maharashtra appointed Shashank Srivastava and Sardar Baljit Singh as a non-official director for 3 years. Bank of Maharashtra. Shashank Srivastava and Sardar Baljit Singh, non-official director for 3 years. Indian men's hockey team third spot FIH ranking, topped by Australia. Indian men's hockey team, we got the third spot and the top by Australia. Hurun Research Institute of India has added 33 unicorn in 1 year and displaced the UK. Hurun Research Institute of India has added 33 unicorn. Total 54 unicorn. India has total 54 unicorn. USA top by 487 unicorn. And India has 54 unicorn. Jinking got UNESCO World Heritage Site tag located at Meghalaya. UNESCO World Heritage Site tag. Jinkingri. Tata Technologies has been selected by Airbus and engine manufacturing and energy services strategic supplier EMES3. Tata Technologies has been selected by Airbus. Technologies has been selected by an Airbus. Balakrishna Doshi, first Indian architect to win Pritzker Prize. K.S. Sithamadhavan passed away, Professor Director. Narendra Singh Tomar released book Spices Statistics. Releases book Spices Statistics at a Glance 2021. Pakhi launch a surface-to-surface missile Babur Cruise Missile 1B. Pakhi launch. The security of the offshore development area in Krishna Godavari Basin, Visakhapatnam was reviewed during Prasthan exercise. Visakhapatnam has been revived during Prasthan exercise. INS Kukri decommissioned after 32 years at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. INS Kukri decommissioned. Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies University joined the research project NASA ISRO collaborative project. Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies University joined the research project held at NASA ISRO collaborative project, which is also known as NISAR. Global Union Index report released by Hurun Research Institute of India secured third rank and with 54. US 487, China got 301 and India third. R.L. Jalappa passed away, politician. India's ancient legacy of wellness, Rekha Chaudhary. Maharashtra launched the Chalo Abhiyan and Smart Card for convenient bus travel. Chalo mobile app and Smart Card for convenient bus travel. Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, bank have recovered 13,109 crore for sales asset. Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had recovered 13,109 crore sales asset. Maturity period of commercial deposit 1 year. European Investment Bank signed finance contract with Government of India to provide first tranche loan of euro 250 million for Agro Metro Rail. European Investment Bank signed finance contract. European Investment Bank signed finance contract with Government of India to provide first tranche loan of euro 250 million for Agro Metro Rail. NSE Prime new corporate governance initiative launched by NSE to raise corporate governance standard. NSE Prime new corporate governance initiative launched by NSE Prime. H.O. Suri, MD and CEO of IFCO Tokyo General Insurance. H.O. Suri, MD CEO of IFCO Tokyo General Insurance. Bachelor Dad written by Tushar Kapoor book. Tushar Kapoor book. DRDO organized flight test of indigenous high-speed expandable aerial target Abhyas. DRDO launch Abhyas. Central Bank of India co-lender agreement with UGRO Capital to provide MSME loans worth rupees 1,000 crore. Central Bank of India co-lending agreement with UGRO for 1,000 crore MSME loan worth rupees. PV Sindhu shuttler, a member of Badminton World Federation Athlete Committee. PV Sindhu shuttler, a member of BWF Athletic Commission. Tamil Nadu CM Dashboard 360. Tamil Nadu CM Dashboard 360, a monitoring system to track all welfare scheme. Niti Aayog to launch vernacular innovation program. Niti Aayog first vernacular innovation program to empower entrepreneurs. December 24 Consumer Rights Day. TriFed sign an MOU with UNICEF to launch. Tribal Samvad Network. TriFed sign an MOU with UNICEF. Tribal Samvad Network. BOB Financial Service launch co-branded credit card for Navy personnel. BOB Financial Service launch co-branded credit card for Navy personnel. Maldives sign an MOU with India for pre-arrival custom data exchange. Pre-arrival custom data exchange. Maldives and India. RBI extended card on file deadline up to 30 June 2022. Tokenization. RBI Payments and Settlement Act 2007. RBI extended card on file deadline up to 30 June 2022. RBI extended card on file. Paytm Payment Bank first bank to zero balance and zero digital transaction change account. Paytm Payment Bank first bank to zero balance and zero digital transaction change account. Arup Roy Choudhury autobiography book. Arup Roy Choudhury autobiography. The Turnover Wizard, Savior of the Thousand. Fifth Siddha Day, 23rd of December, Strength of Siddha in Communicable Diseases. Fifth Siddha Day, 23rd of December, Strength of Siddha in Communicable Diseases. Main single MFW World Ranking. Main single BMF World Ranking. Kidambi Srikanth 10th. Top 10th and Victor Alexen top. South Korea emerged as a champion after beating Japan. Beating Japan at Asian Champions Trophy men's hockey tournament held at Dhaka, Bangladesh. South Korea win. Thank you so much for watching the video.